Hello friends, now to solve this expression, we follow the Bodmas rule which dictates the order of operation. B stands for brackets, O stands for orders, parts and roots, D stands for division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now here is the expression and we'll break it down by the step-by-step solution. So first we solve the brackets. We solve the operation inside the parentheses. So as you can see 7 minus 5 equals to 2. Now reason is brackets always take the top priority to group internal operations. So now expression becomes second step we solve orders. Next we calculate the square roots and exponents. As you can see square roots and exponents. So x is the square root of 12 and 3 cube equals to 27. Now, why we are solving? Orders must be simplified before the general arithmetic can proceed. Now, expression becomes 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 upon 2 multiplied by 12 minus 27. Now, step 3. Step 3 we divide division and multiplication from left to right. In the numerator, top part we solve the left to right because division and multiplication hold equal rank. So 60 divided by 5 equals to 12. Now 12 into 2 equals to 24. Why we are doing this? When operations of equal rank appear, you must work from left to right to maintain the accuracy. Now expression becomes 24 upon 2 multiplied by 12 minus 27. 4. Division. Now the fraction bar. Now simplify the fraction 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2 equals to 12. Why we are doing the fractional bar acts as a division sign for completing numerator. Now the expression becomes 12 multiplied by 12 minus 27. Now step 5 we do multiplication. 12 into 12 44 minus 27. Multiplication takes precedence over the subtraction. Now finally we subtract the values. After subtraction we get the value is 117. This is the final operation remaining. Strictly following the Bodmas hierarchy, we ensures that every mathematical operator is handled in the correct sequence, leading to the final result. So the result is 117 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.